Hi guys! Today I actually wanted to make a pasta recipe, but then I found out I couldn't find any pesto that would be vegan, so I will show you how to make a vegan pesto instead. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more recipes like this. Let's start with 2 cups of loosely packed basil leaves. Don't forget to wash and dry them thoroughly and make sure the stems are removed. Now add 120 grams or 4.2 ounces of this homemade vegan parmesan. You can watch the recipe here. Or you can just use 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of cashew nuts and a heaping tablespoon of nutritional yeast. Blend them before using them in your pesto. Pour in 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And 1 garlic clove. Now let's juice half a lemon. Oops, I dropped the seed in there. Let me fish it out. Add a teaspoon of garlic powder. Maybe you're wondering why I'm adding garlic powder when I've just added fresh garlic. It's because there's quite a difference in flavor. Fresh garlic has more sharp and spicy taste, while garlic powder is milder and more savory, so I like to use this combination to get an ultimate garlic flavor. Do you have any favorite spice combination? Let me know in the comments. Add a pinch of pepper and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Now blend all the ingredients until you get a creamy texture. If you find your pesto to be too thick, you can add more olive oil. Or, on the other hand, if your pesto is too runny, you can add more vegan parmesan or cashews. You can also wipe the sides and bottom of the bowl with a silicone spatula every once in a while to make sure this whole mixture is blended evenly and there are no big chunks of anything. Just make sure to remove the engine part and/or unplug it. And there it is. Beautiful, fresh, creamy pesto. My only concern is that I will not have enough left for the pasta because I just can't stop eating it as it is. You can store this pesto in an airtight container in a fridge for up to 4 days and up to a month in the freezer. Is there anything else you would like me to make? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. See you later!